If you're tired of your stomach growling in quiet places, you need to know why it happens. It's not just you. Stomach growling, or borborygmi if you want to impress your friends, happens to everyone. When your stomach's empty, it gets loud, right? That's because it's trying to clear out leftover food and gas. Your stomach and intestines contract, moving air and fluids around. Think of it as your digestive system's house cleaning. But guess what? Even when you're full, it can still rumble. That's just your body making sure everything's moving along smoothly. Also, did you know your brain plays a part too? When you think of food, your brain sends signals to your digestive system, kicking it into action. And voila, more growling. So next time your stomach growls in a quiet room, just remember, it's your body being awesome. Thanks for watching Fact Tank. Subscribe for more fun facts. Catch you next time.